So hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about the tips and tricks that you can use to level up your gameplay in PUBG especially. So you will not be a pro by looking at this video. You just need to practice a lot to become a pro, but you gameplay from the noob level to average level and more than average player. It will just level up your gameplay if you understand all the tips and tricks here and what I'm saying here. Because I'm playing this game for 2 years, I got some experience from it, and I'm just sharing it from you guys. So I took a lot of footage from my recording of the previous PUBG gameplay, so I just adding all of them and making a collage for you guys, so that you can understand in different situation what you should do, how you can increase your IQ in different kind of situation in PUBG. So if you follow all those tips and tricks that I give you in this video, you can easily level up your gameplay. So I hope you watch this video properly and understand it easily. Okay, and share all of your friends who are ready to learn about PUBG and become a pro. So let's begin. Okay, so at first you need to master the M762 for close range. Within 30 to 40 meter you need to really master and peek and fire with M762. This is really devastating gun and it has a huge damage, and the recoil control is little bit hard, but you have to learn it. Okay, so as you can see, you just go to left side or right side when the enemy is close and just kill him instantly. In this place I was in disadvantage because he was hiding in the cover, and same as this one, my enemy is much better than me here, so nothing you can do. When you are average player, you have to do it, and just loot quickly as fast as possible when your enemy is really close to your circle, so that you can get the upper hand. Okay, and also look for enemies and jump and see where the enemy is. Just don't straightforward, just don't play straightforward, be a little bit complex and have more IQs, and always use your headphones to get the footprints of your enemy, so that if you master this technique you can easily be a pro. And always take the Groza or AUG if you find it, because the AUG is really good when you have 6x and Groza, and in Groza you should use hollow or red dot, which is really good, but don't use 4x or 6x with Groza because it is really shaky. See here, I took the 6x and I instantly took it and make it 3x so that I get better shooting. And just here I just helped my teammate. He was really good here, I just helped him. And see the spray of the Groza, it is really amazing gun if you know how to master the recoil and get easy chicken dinner. So this is one of the toughest matches that I have played, but all the enemies are here and there in the front side, back side, left side and right side. So I just look for the enemies, I didn't rush instantly, which is a very rough move. I just watch for the enemy and just knock if it is possible for me. And see, one of my teammates is knocked, but it still didn't revive him because the enemy was close. I tried my best but failed. So this is all to show you that if failures will come, and you will master everything with the failure. Failure is necessary. So in this place I made a mistake because I just shoot him in the open places, which was not good. And see, peek and fire, you need to really good with peek and fire. Okay, it gives a really big advantage. And when in the close range, just switch to Groza or anything, or UZI. But for long range you have to use M4 with 6x, which is really the best option. Here you have to just heal and see where the enemy is coming and going. Just see the location, use the TPP as much as possible. But when you have bad luck like this, you cannot do it. This is just the way it is. Here my enemy is shooting and I just take cover and jump. And I just destroyed him and take my TPP. And I'm just guessing where the enemy is. And here I just help my teammate. Always help your teammate. Even if you didn't kill an enemy, just damage the enemy so that he can kill it or finish it easily. Always damage your enemies if possible. Here I just damaged my enemy and I got knocked down, and my teammate just killed him, which was really nice idea. Here I shooted a camper. He just taking camp on behind the rocks, and I just waited and waited and waited to kill him. And I was healing. Suddenly the enemy comes and destroyed me, so you can do nothing. Here is the pro tips. The enemy is shooting, so you don't need to go when he is shooting. You just take cover when he is shooting, okay? See, he is taking cover when the enemy is shooting. After he finishes shooting, you just kill him easily. This is the one of the most pro tips that I can give you. Here there was 4 enemies. I just need to take one enemy faster. If you take one enemy, it would be really easy for you. See, it would be really easy for you. And take cover, take the ridge, and just crush the enemies. In this match I played really well. I'm just practicing AKM, and you can see how devastating it is. I just knocked 2 enemies instantly. And always use hollow, not more than that, with AK-47, because hollow is the best for AK. Just don't use 6x 4x with AK, okay? Here the enemies was open place, and I just killed them instantly. But there was another guy. In this place I played well, but my teammate didn't support me at all. But you cannot do anything. This is your luck. In some matches you should practice shooting with the bots, and when you didn't find any enemy and hear footstep, just tell your teammate that the enemy is near, okay? I'm not good in short range with the shotgun, so I just suck up here, but my teammate was really good. He instantly killed him. See, that's why I love Groza. It is so strong. So in this place the enemy is on the top hill, so I stayed with my team and give some support. Even though I didn't let the enemy shoot us, I just supported them with my full content as much as possible. Even you don't get killed. Here I made a mistake. I thought there is 2 guys, but actually there was 3 guys. I just knocked one of them and I just pushed, and there was another guy jumping over me. So this is the thing you need to be really careful at. So in this place I just rushed too much. I didn't watch for enemy properly, that's why I died. I need to take cover first. But here I was really lucky that my teammate covered me. Otherwise I would be dead here. After you kill enemy, obviously you need to loot faster. It is one of the most important thing. You need to loot very fast. You cannot stand out in the outside open place, which is really dangerous. So in this place there are too many enemies, 4 or 5 enemies, and so I just smoked and just killed one of them. But it was unfortunate for me. There was another guy with AWM that shoots me down. Sometimes it will happen, but in this match, as you can see, there are too many enemies, and I cannot do anything if I don't get good guns, okay? So you need to be really smart in this case. I just got a normal weapon, which is you can see Thompson, but there are too many guys out there, and just I take some camping. You can see it is bad camping, but in some places when you are in trouble, you should camp and wait for the perfect moment to kill the enemies, okay? So here I take some camping and waited for the perfect moment, and when I get the perfect moment I just destroyed it. The broken walls are really good. If you take cover with the broken wall, and you can get a really good success. And as you can see, the Thompson is really good in close range. It is really fast. You can use it sometime. And when you are healing, try to go prone so that you can heal perfectly and enemies won't see you easily. So his network went wrong and he just stand still, and just I got the chicken dinner easily. In this match I got some lag, but overall I played really bad in this game. I need to crouch and fire, but I didn't do that, so that's why I just got killed. In this match there was we are 4, but there is only few of the enemies, but there is no issues. You just mark the enemies where they is so that your teammates can kill them. Try to take cover and try to throw bombs as much as possible. It is really helpful in many classic matches as well. So take cover, throw bombs, and then rush with your teammate, see like this, and kill the enemies. So here I was practicing 6x with M4. So first try I failed, but in second try I just knocked him out. So always try to practice with 6x with M4. So in this match, in this classic match, my teammate got knocked out, and I played really well in this match, got 14 kills also. And you need to support your teammate. That's all the most important thing in this game. So another guy on the right side is shooting me, but I didn't notice him instantly, and my teammate said and just knocked him out instantly. And the Iscarl is really good in most cases. You should also use Iscarl instead of M4 because it has more damage, but it is a little bit shaky, but you should practice it. Here I saw the enemies because there was a flare, there was a drop here, and we just didn't rush instantly. We want to see the enemy first, then we rush. So there is no enemy on the drop, but I heard a sound footprint on the right side and I just shoot it. Sometimes you need to use drop shot to get advantage. So there is only 3 guys left. So I just did some damage, and one of my teammates just knocked the enemy with AWM. So it is the perfect time to push. Okay. So drive properly, and there was a lag in this game, is a little bit, but still you will get the chicken if you play smartly. So I just finished him out, and there is only 1 guy left, which is really close to me. And when you get out of ammo, just reload it properly and quickly so that you get the perfect chicken dinner. So that's all for it, guys. You get amazing win if you play like this, and this is all the tips that I can show you guys. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll be catching with the next video, so keep in touch with me. I will be coming up with lots of amazing videos for PUBG. Thanks for watching.